Looking for a coffee experience that feels fresh, smooth, and indulgent right out of the can? Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew with a splash of sweet cream offers exactly that. This bold cold brew coffee is infused with nitrogen the moment you open it, delivering a creamy texture and velvety smooth taste that transforms your everyday cup into something special. What sets this Nitro Cold Brew apart is the way it's crafted for maximum enjoyment. Just gently tilt the can once, pop it open, and pour into a cold glass. The nitrogen infusion creates a rich foam that stays thick and creamy for minutes, giving you that cafe-quality experience at home or on the go. It's smooth, delicious, and perfectly balanced with a hint of sweet cream that enhances the coffee's natural boldness without overpowering it. Many coffee lovers rave about the unique texture and lasting foam. One enthusiastic reviewer shared their secret to the perfect pour: freezing the glass for 5 minutes, shaking the can gently, and pouring at a 45-degree angle. The result? A stunning cascade of creamy foam that stays fresh and full-bodied even after several minutes. It's a little ritual that turns your coffee break into a moment of pure enjoyment. Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew comes in 4 tempting flavors: black unsweetened, dark caramel, vanilla sweet cream, and the one we're spotlighting today, splash of sweet cream. Each offers a distinct twist on the classic cold brew, so you can pick the one that fits your mood or mix it up throughout the week. The splash of sweet cream version strikes a perfect balance of bold coffee and creamy sweetness, making it a favorite for those who want richness without heaviness. If you're someone who appreciates a smooth, flavorful coffee but doesn't want to sacrifice convenience, this ready-to-drink Nitro Cold Brew is worth a look. It's ideal for mornings when you need a quick boost or afternoons when you want to treat yourself without slowing down. Plus, the 9.6-ounce cans are easy to grab from your fridge or pack for a busy day. What you get with Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew with a splash of sweet cream is more than just coffee. It's a little upgrade to your daily routine. The creamy texture and velvety finish make every sip enjoyable, while the bold cold brew ensures you get the caffeine kick you expect. It's a simple way to enjoy coffee that feels fresh, crafted, and satisfying. If that's you, someone who values quality coffee with a smooth, creamy twist, give Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew a try when you're ready. Whether you're new to Nitro coffee or already a fan, this flavor offers a balanced, delicious option that fits right into your lifestyle. Experience the difference that nitrogen infusion and a splash of sweet cream can make in your coffee ritual.